Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Forte key battery. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery type, which is usually a CR 2032 coin battery. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. Finally, locate the small slot or indentation on the key fob casing, often near where the emergency key is removed. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick battery replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. If your Kia Forte key fob has an emergency key, remove it first by pressing the release button. Then, insert your small flathead screwdriver into the designated slot or indentation. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to separate the casing without causing any damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment, often by gently prying it out with the screwdriver. It's important to note the battery's orientation before removal. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should snap securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, which confirms they are securely closed. If your fob has an emergency key, slide it back into its slot. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. And for more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.